Welcome to Arogya Healthcare, manufacturer and supplier of healthcare products. The company was established in the year 2007. Experienced R&D department and hassle-free transactions help us to grab maximum customer satisfaction. International quality standards, prompt delivery of products, and durable packaging are some of the key factors behind our success. We offer a wide array of massage, healthcare, and physiotherapy equipment. Car seat massagers and automatic massage bed are superior in performance. Cool masks, vegetable, and fruit purifiers are in huge demand across the global markets. We are highly instrumental in presenting a wide spectrum of anti-radiation mobile chips and massage mats. Our picnic tables and roller therapies are available at industry-leading prices. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of electronic power savers and automatic massage bed for body care that are cost-effective. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.arogyahealthcare.co.